Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you Matar Paneer recipe that's favorite among kids as well as adults. It not only looks great but also tastes delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make the Matar Paneer recipe. In a pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil, unmelted clarified butter. As the oil and clarified butter gets hot, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and as they start to crackle, add 8 to 10 peppercorns, about 5 to 6 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon, about 5 to 6 cardamom, 2 bay leaves medium size, some hing, and give this tempering a quick mix. Next add 2 medium onions, and I have chopped them into small pieces. Fry the onions really well for few seconds. The flame is on the medium. Soon enough they will turn translucent like these. Just give them a quick mix and now add 2 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Fry it well for few seconds until the ginger, garlic and coriander paste kind of cooks well. Start adding some spices, so 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of store-bought Kitchen King Masala, 3 teaspoons of Cumin and Coriander Powder, and salt to taste. I have added about 2 teaspoons. Fry everything really well. Next we are going to add 1 cup of green peas, and I'm using frozen ones. If you have fresh green peas, even better. Give everything a really good mix. Next add 350 grams of paneer, and I have cut it into medium cubes like these. Be very gentle as you mix it since we don't want our paneer pieces to break. Cover and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. After about 5 minutes, let's open and check. Notice that there is some water released. Now add fresh tomato puree, and to make that I have used 2 tomatoes and I have just grinded it in my grinder. Give everything a really good mix. Now we are going to add about 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and give everything a really good mix. The flame has been on the medium throughout. Cover and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Open after about 8 minutes and notice that the oil has come to the surface. Just give it a quick mix like this. One of the key ingredients now, about 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi. Just crush it with your hands like this and drop it. Give everything a really good mix. The Matar Paneer recipe is almost ready. We are just going to let it simmer for a minute or two and then switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. Enjoy this Matar Paneer recipe with some garma garam parathas, rotis or chapatis, or it goes extremely well with even Jeera Rice. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.